Titrations, making a standard solution. Place a weighing bolt and a digital balancer weigh out the mass of solid. Tip it into a beaker, then reweigh the bolt. Subtract the mass of bolt from mass of bolt and solid together. This will give you the precise mass, alhamdulillah, precise mass of solid used. Add distilled water to the beaker and stir until it's all dissolved. Tip solution into volumetric flask and then use a funnel to ensure it all goes in. Rinse the beaker and stirring rod with distilled water and add to the flask, and this ensures no solute clinging to the beaker/rod. Top the flask up to the correct volume with more distilled water. Make sure the bottom of meniscus reaches the line. When you get close to the line, add water drop by drop. Stop at the flask and turn upside down to ensure it's mixed. Using a pipette to measure a set volume of solution you want the concentration of, put it into a flask, add few drops of appropriate indicator to flask, fill a burette with standard solution of the acid, use a funnel to carefully pour acid into burette. Now you're ready to titrate. Pipettes, now two key facts about pipettes. Pipettes measure only one volume of solution, and how to get it on the line, well, what you want to do is fill the pipette to just above the line, then take the pipette out of the solution and drop it level down carefully to the line. Now, doing a rough titration to get an idea of the endpoint. The endpoint is the exact point alkali is neutralized and the indicator changes color. Add acid to alkali using a burette, giving the flask a regular swirl. Then we do an accurate titration. Rough titration, accurate titration after adding acid to alkali using burette, giving the flask a regular swirl. We do an accurate titration by taking an initial reading to see how much acid is in the burette, then run the acid within 2 centimeters cube of the endpoint. In this case, we add it dropwise. Work out the amount of acid used to neutralize alkali, aka the final reading minus initial reading. This volume is known as a titer. Repeat the titration until you have concordant results. Burettes measure different volumes and let you add the solution drop by drop. In titrations, indicators that change color quickly over a very, very small pH range are used, so you know exactly when a reaction has ended.